Hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with actually a box from Boxycharm, which is actually not the one I usually get. I actually downgraded to the Boxycharm Ultimate box, and honestly I did it by accident. I don't know what I was doing, but for some reason I got confused between the two boxes, the BoxyLuxe and the Ultimate, and for some reason I thought that the Ultimate was like a new one that was like more products. I have no idea. I think it's maybe because I've been in the house too long so I just totally got confused. But however, I think that this was actually a good thing because if you are thinking about upgrading, maybe you're just using the regular BoxyLuxe, the Boxycharm box, which is just a few products. Maybe you're thinking about upgrading but you're not sure if you should do the Ultimate box or the BoxyLuxe. So since I've done quite a few BoxyLuxe boxes, I thought that this actually was perfect, just so that you can see a little bit of the difference between the Luxe and the Ultimate box, and that way you can make a better decision on what would work better for you. So obviously the first two differences between those two boxes are obviously going to be the price and the amount of products. So the BoxyLuxe, which is the big mama duke of the whole thing, you're obviously gonna be getting a lot more products. I think there are 8+ products, and you're getting charged, I believe it's every 3 months. I think it's every 3 months, but I'll put all the information below. So it's more like, it's almost more like a close to like a seasonal way that you're getting charged. You're getting more products. Okay, so the Ultimate, you will be getting maybe 3 products less. I would say like maybe 2 to 3 products less, and you're going to be getting charged, I think it's like $30-something, and that would be per month, and you would be getting that box per month. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the little bit of products that I got. So I got a total of 6 products in this box. So of course they always give you the little postcard with the products on the back. Now I really didn't get any makeup stuff to like try on or anything like that, so I'm just pretty much just strictly showing you the products and letting you know how I feel about the products. Okay, so first product, and I'm just going to be working my way down on the postcard. This is the Kevin Akine, I hope I'm saying it right, the Expert Mascara. So this is the Expert Mascara, has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes to their fullest while being soft to the touch. Let me see, and the retail value of this mascara is $29. So here it is right here. Actually came right on time because my mascaras are pretty much getting dried out at this point. Not really that I'm using them because I'm not really going anywhere, but eventually I will have to go somewhere. So here is the brush, very interesting looking wand. So this would pretty much get some volume and some curl in those lashes there. So I'm actually pretty interested in trying out that product. So alrighty, so the next product, this is from Skin & Co. So this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. So this is created to target the appearance of tired eyes, bags, dark circles, signs of aging. It has, hydrates, nourishes, and rejuvenates, blah blah blah. So retail value of this eye cream is $66, and considering how big this box is, the product is very small. I don't know why they waste like so much products and just packaging on such a small product. But so this is the product right here, which is actually a very generous amount for an eye cream. Ooh, and here it is. So here is the product. It smells really nice though. It smells almost like a kind of like a coconut thing. So I do like that scent, and I will be looking forward to using that too because I need some new eye stuff in my life. Okay, so next product, I'm sure we're all familiar with this product. This is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. So this is a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint, and the retail value for this one is $15. Let's see what color this is. So this is the Glimmer Glow Oil and Lip and Cheek. Okay. And just trying to take off this packaging. Oh god. Listen, my poor little nails are just too, I cannot. I'm alive, y'all, I'm alive. Okay, so first of all, it smells pretty nice. It's pretty fruity smelling. So here is the product right here. I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand. Very nice, very light color, as you can see. This is like a super light, like a pinky going into a berry type thing. So this is, you know, basically what it says. This is going to give you a nice fleshy color to your lips. So it's gonna provide, it actually feels pretty nice. It's gonna give you that nice little fleshy color, that little nice sheer tint that you can use on your cheeks and your lips. Alrighty, so next product. This is the Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set, which I don't know if I'm going to use or not because I really don't use brushes very much. Oh, these are nice brushes though. So here is the first brush. Ooh, it feels so nice and luxurious. I like this one. So there is one, let me see. Here's the other one. So there's a contour brush and looks like there's a powder brush. So here's the other brush here. Very nice. And these actually feel really nice. They don't feel like, you know, they have that nice little weight on them. It's not overbearingly heavy. No, of course not. But it definitely has that nice feeling, bearing weight. Bristles are very nice and soft. So those are the brushes. Very pretty. I think I'll probably use this more than anything. But I think maybe I'll try them both out. Who knows? Okay. Alright, and the next product, this is from Tarte. And I actually am happy I got this one as well. This is from Tarte, and this is the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. So this has a value of $12, and this is basically a hydrating lip butter balm. Lips will look as good as you perfectly curate. And this is so cute. If you can see the packaging. The cutest little packaging. Very nice. Definitely am liking that. Ah, it smells pretty good actually. Yeah, it smells like kind of like a vanilla thing going on. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely thick. Oh my goodness, it feels so nice. It's not sticky, definitely hydrating, and it just, it spreads so nicely over the lips. It just feels so nice. Not overly thick, smells really nice. It's not an overbearing scent. This is nice. Yay! Alright, and the last product, this is from Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampule Serum. So if you are not familiar too much with K-Beauty, you will hear the term ampule a lot in K-Beauty because it is definitely one of the staples that you use in K-Beauty. So I am really actually looking forward to this. Let me see, it's a soothing serum with 90% of Centella asiatica extract. Relieves irritations on sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. It contains Ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this out. Oh, I love these. I love, you know, products with K-Beauty. Ooh, and it smells interesting. Ooh, it kind of reminds me of like a very mild scent of tea tree oil. So I personally love that scent. It just smells so nice. It smells really it feels like it's gonna be nice and cooling once you're putting it on. As a matter of fact, you know what, I'm gonna try on putting it on myself. Let me see how that feels. Oh my gosh. Ooh, all right. This is definitely, it goes on like a serum for sure. It's not, oh, it feels so nice though. Ooh, it's cool. Wow. I have to say that it feels really nice. It was so nice and cooling when I put it on, so it was kind of surprising. And it actually just sunk in so quickly into my skin. Very nice and fast absorbing, especially a big plus for me because I have oily combination skin, so that's nice. So that's it, guys. Those are all the products that I received in the Boxycharm Ultimate. And to be honest, it's actually not bad. I mean, you're always a little bummed if you don't get some type of like makeup, but I did get a mascara, so I can't complain that much, I guess. So I didn't really get lip products per se or a palette, but maybe in the future, maybe I'll, you know, get one or not, I'm not sure. However, I think personally that if you were trying to decide between the two, I'm not even gonna count the regular Boxycharm because I'm pretty much over the Boxycharm. Like, I really think that the two better ones would be the Ultimate and of course the BoxyLuxe. So I think that at the end it all depends on financially how you're doing, and also beauty wise, how many products would you use? Do you see yourself using everything? Are you someone that is constantly buying in Sephora or Ulta? You know what I mean? If you are, then maybe you can downgrade to like the Ultimate box where it's just a few less products, but you're not wasting everything, you know, you're using the products, because the BoxyLuxe, obviously you're going to be getting a lot more products. Sometimes they send you, you know, electronics like curling iron or flat iron, which is awesome. But if you feel like you don't really use products, or you feel like you're not gonna get through everything in the box or whatever, then I would say the middle box, which is this one, the Ultimate, would be great for you. I think also it's a great alternative for the you know, for now, if you just don't feel yourself using the BoxyLuxe right now, or maybe it's just a little more financially better for you to be charging the $33 as opposed to the 50 something. It really is up to you, but I really think that the Ultimate is a good choice if you want to be right in the middle. If you're over the Boxycharm regular box, but you don't want to spend as much on the Luxe, then the Ultimate would be a great choice for you. So I like both products. I think that they're pretty good, and I guess if I decide to stick with it for a while, then you'll see more videos of me opening up the Ultimate one. I'm not gonna get both because to me that's kind of like a lot of products. I think that's just a little bit too many of an amount of products. So, but again, that's just my personal opinion. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching me do my first Boxycharm Ultimate box. And yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.